Hey friends, hope you're doing good. So in today's video we'll be talking about one of the best project management tools, which is Airtable. So when you search Airtable tool, just below these sponsor dates you find this Airtable website. You just click there and from here you can go for sign up for free. I'll just continue with my Google. I'll enter this kind of an interface. I just skip it and then so here you can see this is the interface of the Airtable tool, and from here on I can just select, let's suppose, my engineering work. Okay, so let's say I do something like that, and now I can build an app with AI, or I can just go there. So okay, let's see how it does. Okay, to build a streamline chart for my work from excavation till painting of a small house. So now we'll see how it works. Now here it is, create project timeline. I can assign tasks to team members. I'll just go with this one. So here you can see this has given me some starting date and end date, then it has also given me a budget. So this is giving me the details of the work that I'll be doing. So this is one of the best tools that you can find for your project management. And yeah, that's it for now. Thank you so much for watching the video. Subscribe for more videos like this.